Lesson number 47, dot plots, histograms, and box plots. All right, so in this lesson, we're going to be talking about three different kind of graphs. All right, these are just three different ways of showing data. All right, three different ways of interpreting the data. All right, so we'll go to each one in more detail. All right, so first, let's go find us a dot plot. So here at this first one, we're looking at a dot plot. So a dot plot uses dots to show the distribution of data. So look what the question says. It says, how many people walked more than 2 miles? Notice that it says not walked 2 and more miles. No, it says walked more than 2 miles, meaning the people who walked 2 miles or less do not count. All right, because we need the people who walked more than 2 miles. Well, more than 2 miles, well, looks right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people walked more than 2 miles. What we're looking at here is called a histogram. A histogram is like a bar graph without any spaces in between the bars. And again, so this question is asking how many people have seen 20 or more movies. Well, that's including 20, right? Because it's saying how many people have seen 20 or more movies. Well, starting here with this group, okay, here's 20 and 29. Sorry, number of movies, 20 to 29. And here's 30 to 39. All right. Well, we can't see exactly where these numbers are, but it looks here, right? That's about halfway up. I'm going to say that's 15. And this looks about halfway. Let's call that 5. So if we take that 15 and that 5, I'm going to say 20 people have seen 20 or more movies. And last, let's look at a box plot. All right. Now, looking at this box plot, how do I read this information? Because it looks a little bit different than the other ones. Well, ready? First things first is it tells us our range. The lowest is 150 and the highest is 230. All right. So that's a range of 80, right? That's what the first thing's telling us. Now, remember, a box plot is split into 4 different groups. So this 161 is what's called the first quartile. First quartile, it's right here in the front. And then 210 would be the third quartile. All right. Now, the question is asking what's the median score? Well, the cool thing about a box plot is it just tells you directly what it is, and it's right there. What's that median score? That median score is 189.